Watch how I make this simple recipe, indomie and egg. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first time I'm coming across my video. You are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more video. My return is thank you and God bless you. In today's video we are going to be making indomie, a simple recipe, indomie and egg with tomatoes. Just a small recipe, because if you want to eat very fast food as you are tired, you can just make this for your kids. This one, we have 3 eggs in the bowl. We are using the margin of the indomie to make this a recipe, and I have my pot in the gas already and oil. I'm adding salt in the pot now. The first thing I will be adding is onions. I will be stirring it for a few minutes before I add my tomatoes on it. Turn it a little bit. Here come my tomatoes. Be adding a little tomatoes on it. Turn it. I add more onions. I have 2 onions on it because I love using onions so much when I'm cooking my sauce. Then I'm adding my margin and pepper, which is indomie pepper and indomie margin. Now I will be adding my 3 eggs, and I will leave it for a little bit before turn it. Just a simple recipe, guys. If you need urgent food, if you need fast food, I'm adding a little bit of water. Here comes my indomie. I'm adding 2 indomie inside. I will be cooking it for at least 3 minutes. 3 minutes, guys. It's not 2 minutes and a half. Then I'm adding a little water on it. If you want something very urgent when your kid is hungry, this is made for you. Very fast to go, guys. Very fast to go. If you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up for this video, like and share, subscribe for more video. I will be covering it in a short time. I'm just showing you guys now. I'll be covering it. I'm cooking it for just like 2 to 3 minutes, and my food is ready, guys. My food is ready, almost ready. As you can see, my food is ready, guys. It's not up to 10 minutes, the food is ready, guys. You see how colorful my food is? Very beautiful in the eyes. Wow, join me, guys, to eat my delicacy food. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to thumbs up as I said earlier. Thank you, and see you for my next video. Bye bye.